Hi everyone, Melissa here, coming on today with hashtag 2crafters1design as well as Saturday morning makes. Hashtag 2crafters1design is hosted by myself, Mo Creations, Girliest Cards, which is Gloria, and You See Why I'm a Diva, which is Lisa. This week's theme is gift cards. Next week's theme is Christmas trees. So if you would like to enter our challenges, just follow the theme. And while you're at it, enter Jillian Norwood's hashtag SatMornMakes. All right, so this week I am using several things. Starting out, I am using this paint, watercolor paint, and I'm using that white there. I'm also using from Altenew this Warm Blessings stamp set. Love it, and I'm using Happy Holidays. And I decided to pull out this set here, and I'm only using the greenery back there, and this one is called Holly Bow or Bow. Not sure which one, but you can choose which one. Next up, we have Honeybee Stamps, and I'm using the bells from there. I think it's called bells or Christmas bells or something. Layering Holiday Bells is what it's called. And then this is the star of the show. When I'm so glad I picked this up. I love it, love it, love it. And I got it from Spellbinders for $10, and I will be using this again. But one thing I do have to say, when using this, make sure you use like 60-pound weight if you're going to use all of those layers, or 80-pound. I would almost say 60-pound because it's going to have enough layers that it will make the card thick. I used 110-pound for everything, and I got the alligator mouth on that. So, but I still love how it looks. And then I also use this here, and I use Christmas, where is it? Christmas Wishes is what I use. And I want to say that's it. And let me just show you that a little bit more close. Oh, it's not it. I did use an embossing folder, and I forgot to grab that. So let me grab that real quick. This embossing folder, which was from Doris, and I'm not sure what it's called because I did not write it on here. Sorry about that, but that's what I used. All right, and so check that out. I love this card, the sparkle. I mean, I just love everything about it. I did add some of that, the paint there, the paint sparkle, and then there goes my glimmer foil, and love this card. And I did use some metallic papers there. Oh, love it. And then there, this is where you would add the gift card there and the Happy Holidays. And like I said, because of all the layering you're going to do, you don't want to make this in 110-pound cardstock. You've got to use something lighter, but love it. And then I also made, of course, the packaging for it. Just love that envelope too. Really, really pretty set. So like I said, if you have the time, make sure you enter our challenges as well as Saturday morning makes. The links will be down below, and check out the picture at the end. Thanks so much, everyone. You all have a blessed and crafty day.